In this video, I want to share with you why you should get DJI CARE Refresh for your Mini 2 and what my experience was when I had to use it. About 3 months after purchasing my Mini 2, I went out for a nice, wonderful flight on a beautiful, snow-filled day. Unfortunately, came down a little bit too close to a tree and I crashed my drone. And immediately, that exact same day, which was actually February the 12th of 2021, I got onto DJI's website and filed a claim and went ahead and sent or shipped my Mini 2 back. Essentially, I filed the claim, explained on the website what was wrong with it, how it got damaged. I sent them pictures of the damage, and then they sent me a shipping label, which I packaged the drone up and shipped it out to them the exact same day. I mean, I didn't waste any time. The very day that I wrecked it, I sent it out to them. Unfortunately, I do not have screenshots of the entire process because at this point I can only see that my drone was shipped back out to me. But through the process, they took pictures there after they disassembled it and let me know what the additional damage was to it. They also told me it would cost me about $350 to have it repaired, which is more than it would cost for me to just buy one, you know. So I just chose to, again, to pay the deductible, have them ship me out a new one, which they did. And as I said, from there, within about 3 weeks, they sent me another drone out, and the instructions to rebind the new drone with my controller was very easy to follow, and I've been using this bad boy ever since with absolutely no problem. You do have a certain period of time from the date of activation when you activate the drone in order to get DJI CARE Refresh on your drone. So if you just purchased it, make sure that you go to their website quickly, register your drone with DJI, and go ahead and get DJI Refresh immediately. Highly suggest that you get DJI CARE Refresh if you're a beginner, because you are not currently familiar with what obstacles there are, how much the drone possibly will drift depending on what the wind conditions and all of those different variables might be. So it's a very good chance that you're going to get in an accident. I'm sorry, it's just the truth. And if it happens, it is more cost effective for you to replace your drone by paying the first replacement deductible of $49 and the second replacement deductible of $59. Which is still cheaper than it would be for you to go on to Amazon and purchase a standalone drone, which is around about, at least at the time that I'm recording this video, about $338. You actually end up saving about $181 if you have an issue with your drone and have to have it replaced twice. If you have a Flyaway, then the deductible and for them to send you out a new drone is about $225, and then of course you're only saving about $65, but it's still a savings, and it will get you back up in the air a little bit faster than it possibly would if you did not have DJI CARE Refresh, unless you decide that you're just going to purchase another drone. One of the things that I actually heard recently as well is if you get DJI CARE Refresh on your first drone, and you do not have to use it for a replacement within that first year, they will possibly extend it to a second year. If you do have to use it, which I had to, I paid the additional $39 to get an additional year of DJI CARE Refresh on my Mini 2. So I truly hope that that helped you in some way. Go ahead and get DJI CARE Refresh for your drone, and I truly believe that if you have an accident and you have to send it back, you will absolutely thank me for that later. If you have any questions about it, let me know down in the comment section below. I'd love to answer your questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again in the next video.